eat some food and just go and chill, see? Jamaica Uncut and with the Lico Ochi and with the man himself, Mr. Blackie, who is the founder, owner and operator of Lico Ochi Seafood Restaurant in Alligator Pond, which is now Manchester apparently. We used to say St. Elizabeth one time.
Yeah, but I can't give St. Elizabeth everything, yeah?
Oh, so Manchester we get something.
Yeah.
Alright, so Blackie, tell me the concept behind Lico Ochi and when you got started.
Yeah, we opened in 1989. It was basically a try thing. And then, hard work put it to where it is today. Start out as a little beach shack,
Yeah, I grilled some fish on the beach.
That time we grill, we was preparing for the fisherman going to sea.
Ah.
A little scar leg and fry egg in the morning with little minty.
See?
This is what it blossom out to be.
And you have another location in Mandeville.
Yeah, there's another location in Leaders Plaza in Mandeville.
And you also, there was an attempt to bring one go on the grill. What happened to that?
Well, that falter along the way line, but keep your fingers crossed. Monty will be probably see one of the best seafood giants in the coming future.
Alright, seen sir. Alright people, so as I said, we're there with the man himself, Blackie, owner, operator, the best seafood restaurant, probably on the island.
Yeah man, the only seafood restaurant that have 75 different seafood dishes. As you know from the beginning, we originate and people copy.
Real talk.
We can name hundreds of dishes that we create that you might have some other seafood where them are be able like a them created. Yeah man, because so we originate to own fish season, to own jerk sauce and them things there. So you go.
And upon the south side, the people, so them they're not the heart of seasoning. So short of seasoning.
And when they ride on the beach.
And short of fish.
So as the fish come out, you throw it in the pot.
Right off of the boat.
Yeah,
right off of the boat.
I'm so happy to say, as I look at you, what you usually bring, can't come give me a little future. Jamaica Uncut, Blackie the Panic, live from Lico Ochi.
Blessed love me brother,
Respect.
Nice to see you and go on do your thing and we hope to see you in the grill soon. Or even in the mobile way, we don't have to drive for 3 hours to come on your foot.
Well, you know, you go.
Alright, sir.
We put the plans together, we execute it step by step.
Alright, people. And yo, me just eat a jerk fish a while ago, people. The thing slap wet.
And I originate that.
Mad.
Anyway, you're going to see it on anybody's menu,
And yes,
tell
I
them
come from.
Blackie started. Then don't even get it right because they might do it the opposite way.
Jamaica Uncut, Lico Ochi Seafood Restaurant in Alligator Pond. And Alligator Pond is a little fishing village on the south side of Manchester. So as we drive around Jamaica and look for Jamaica's best and bring it to you, just eat a jerk fish, and people may tell you that the thing slap way. Really, really nice. So you get to meet the owner, and you know, that's something there. Jamaica uncut style. Little Ochi, alligator pan, cut out.